Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, August 12th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, close enough moving average bounce, H pattern, H pattern, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and I expect a retrace here soon. Most likely it'll probably bounce off the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So we're going to sit back and wait for this to happen. We had a good run up. We're expecting a pullback. Impulse, correct, expecting an impulse back up. And as you can see right here, there. So there's a $2 move. So if this price stays on top of this 200 moving average, what we're going to do is we're going to lock in $1.50, and we're going to see how it reacts off of the $2 marker area. If it goes past it, we'll continue to manage. But right now, we're going to kind of stay in a holding pattern, lock in $1 move, and see how it reacts off the $2 area, which is roughly around the 450.75 area.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen, and it's turning into a C-type retrace. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in $1.50 right now, and if the price explodes up to the 451 and a quarter area, we'll lock in that $2 move and continue on with this management plan. But as of right now, we're going to hold at the $1.50 mark just in case there's a slight retrace. But like I said, again, this looks like a C-type style retrace, and I expect some explosive power coming soon. And there's the explosive power we're looking for. Right here is a $3 move. So moving forward, we're going to lock in this $2 gain right now. If the price gets up to the $3 marker area, which is roughly around the 451.75-ish area, and it doesn't struggle but just holds out there, there's a statistical high probability that we will blow past the high of the day and then have some level of retrace. If the price struggles to get to the 351.75 area, we're going to get a little bit more aggressive with the management. But based on how the price travels to these areas will dictate how we're going to move forward with our management plan.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in $2.50 right now. I want to see how this is going to react off of the high of the day. If it gets there sluggishly, we'll pull profits. If it explodes past the high of the day and gets between 25 cents, 50 cents past the high of the day, it's bound to have some level of retrace. We don't know how deep the retrace is going to be, but nevertheless, if we get to those levels, we'll probably just pull profits. If we get stalled out, as you can see, hold on one second. So you can see it's not having a bad reaction off of the 452 area, which means that it might explode past that area and then protrude past the high of the day as well, because there's only about a 15-cent difference between the 452 area and the high of the day. So like I said, we're going to see, and we're going to use speed and violence to our discretion, and if we run up very quickly, as you can see, there's the high of the day it broke. Now we're going to see how far we go up, and that's looking good. So based on what I'm seeing, we're going to look to get out of our trade. Hold on. We're close to $3.50. So we're going to punch out.
Order fill.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $3.50 run within less than 20 minutes of hard work today. As always, never forget, be a pro.